Hey everyone, it is FJ Yeti back, and I am proud to tell y'all that we got some new speakers in for the outside speakers on my car. So, this video will be an unboxing and first impressions of the Boss audio system, MRWT69RGB. So, yeah, let's just open it up and see what exactly we got in here. Okay, so when we open it up, that's just the box actually. Let me take this out and we can see what's actually inside of here. It turns out they just put their the box that it comes in inside another box to ship. So let's open up this box and see what we actually got in here. Okay. So I guess we'll just start at the top and go toward the bottom. So this is our warranty sheet. I guess we just turn that in back to Boss. Sorry, I have a a sinus infection right now, so I'm kind of going through that, but I really wanted to get these installed and let y'all hear what these sounded like. So here is the owner's manual. It tells all about it. It says it has a 20 color illumination. Let's see. So we should have our speaker, mounting clamp, rubber mounting pads, mounting bolts, remote control, and power cable. Here's all the specifications. So we're supposed to put our rubber pads in between our mounting tube whenever we install this. And then it has a positive and negative that go to the amp, and then a power cable for our RGB illumination. So here's all the different remote control functions and the dimensions of the actual speaker itself. So I'm assuming these are our rubber mounting pads that go on the speaker. So I'll set those aside for now. In this package, it looks like we have all of our instructions and the wireless remote, so I'll get into that in a second. This is most likely the power cable for the RGB illumination. So we have a heavy-duty foam cover that goes over the speaker. And here's the actual speaker. So, let's take it out of the box. Let me put it up here and we can kind of go over it. So the mounting plate is solid metal. Sounds like the case is pretty much plastic, along with the interface. There's our little tweeter, and then our actual 6x9 speaker. So that kind of tells about the speaker. Here's the positive and negative terminals that go to the amp, and then the power cable. They have a nice little Boss audio system little detail. I guess that's on the back side of it. But I mean, it's a pretty solid construction, it looks like. I think it looks really good. So I'm gonna see if I can get this hooked up really quick, because I'm curious to see what the RGB illumination on it does. So I'm gonna use the power cable to hook it up. And then I guess I can also go over the little remote we have here along with the instructions. I think I have it set up. So it says for button number 1, that is the turn on and standby button for the illumination. 2 and 9 right there. So the mode plus and the mode minus buttons are going to be the switch to dynamic mode from static color mode, or switch between dynamic modes. So I'm assuming dynamic is like color changing. 3 and 8, which are the speed plus and minus, changes the speed of the color illumination. It looks like 4 and 5 right there. Change the static color, so you can actually have them just sit on a specific color. And then 6 and 7 are the brightness adjustment. So I'm going to turn out the lights, and I guess we can actually look at it right now. Okay, so we have red, green, blue, yellow, I guess that's like a tealish or baby blue, purple, white, orange, I guess that's another like yellowish orange. I guess that's more yellow. And then that's like a bluish green, a little bit more blue, a little bit more blue. And then like a purplish blue, a little bit more purple, a little bit more purple and white. So it looks like it has a lot of the like bluish, purplish. That's really cool, I think. Let me turn out the lights real quick, and we'll see what this looks like with the lights off, and kind of go through some of the modes. I'm just kind of going through the static mode, so we can just kind of see all the different colors. But let me put it in dynamic mode, and we'll see what it looks like at night, I guess. Okay, so here we are. All the lights are off in my garage, so the only light we're going to see is the light from the speaker itself. So I guess let's just dive right in and see what we got. Okay, so there's white. Kind of going through some of these. There's the red, the green, the blue, the yellow, the blue. All of our static colors that we've already gone through. It's really interesting because it looks more or less just like this weird eye looking at me that changes colors. So let's put it in dynamic. So I guess that just cycles through I guess most of the colors we've already seen. So we have flashing red, flashing green, flashing blue, flashing yellow, purple, blue, white. Ooh, I really like this. So I'm gonna turn the speed down just a hair on that. So what we have right here is a it just slowly goes through all the colors it possibly can. It doesn't just like jump between them. So with the one we've already seen, it's, you know, jumped from color to color to color. This one is a nice smooth transition that we can speed up or slow down. So if you're trying to put on like a party and you want some lights, these are this is a really cool pair to have. Let's slow this down a little bit. So we have white, red. I guess it's just like another slow cycle through all the different colors we have. And then I think this goes back to, yeah, our oh, this is a flashing RGB. So you have your red, your green, and your blue. They slowly strip in sequence, it looks like, because we have the red that lights up, and then we should have the green that lights up, and then the blue that lights up. So with the RBG, the red, the green, and the blue, we can, I guess, make any color we want just with the 3 lights we already have there. Speed this up. Okay, so that, yeah, that's, I guess, the original cycle that goes through all the colors, and it looks like it is, because those are just going back to the ones we've already seen. And so we have our different strobe modes, and that's my favorite. I'm going to put it on a static color. Let's go with purple because I really like the way that that looks. And so this is at max brightness. I'm going to tone it down step by step. And it looks like that is as faint as we can go. And then we can go up to pretty bright purple.
Logan?
Yeah?
Oh, are you out there?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I heard him talking.
Yep.
You want to show me how to put this thing on Facebook? Come back after a while.
Okay. So, sorry, that was my grandfather asking me to help him with some computer stuff. Yeah, so we can kind of tone this down. I think that's as low as we can go, and we can kind of get this nice little, like, fainted light. So, I guess this is this for now. I'm going to try to get these mounted up so I can hopefully show you what these sound like, because I am excited to see what these sound like, how far we can get from hearing them. I have two of them, so this is one of them, obviously. And yeah, so my next video I'm going to post is going to be an installation of these on my car. And after that, I'll hopefully have everything hooked up, and we can go for a little drive and see what they sound like. So, tell me what you think about these. I really like the way they look. I really like the way they function. I guess just leave comments about what you think about them, or what you think about me putting them on my car, because originally these are supposed to be speakers for like boats and stuff, but since I have a external system on my car, I'm going to try to put these on there. And so yeah, I'll get these posted up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.